So watch where you pull off, how you the illest. And if you ring the alarm, them I go see that. Boys spread out my road like big pussy even.
Them money a badness different, dog. Me afraid of the whole of them money in that video, dog. Me not look at my face, me a lie to you. You look at them money, brother. Watch ya. Watch this the big guy on ya. Do it face tattoo. Yo. Me afraid of the whole of them money in that video. What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs and I am back with another reaction video for you all. Now if it's the first time here, please consider subscribing to this channel. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers. We have the latest reactions over here, people. The latest reaction from my yard, man. You see me? You know what? No more reaction after I watch my own. You understand? Now we have Sparta again. Audience. So for all them audience people, and guys, me try everything not for listen. If the audio come out first, me try to listen to it because I'm there in Jamaica. So if me try to listen to it, me can't don't listen to it. You see me? Because I want to react to the music videos. That's why I love doing reacting to the music videos. You know what I mean? But mostly like react to the girls video them because the girl them at work and a bag of chips are go on. But I don't know say family you have to give you support. So I support Sparta audience official music video. Let's go. But the music. Yeah.
Alright then, but from birth, violate then I do.
Yeah. Nah, you look evil. Me nah, like you look evil. If me see in person, me run. Family, dog. Yo, if you see the person in person, you nah run. Me a run, dog. No, man. Face tattoo.
Butterfly like bird.
Yeah.
Don't say a word. Oh,
Yeah.
should I hear when no matter what?
Yeah. Oh, God, them kid up, man.
Pick up shot, baby, nothing like a model. Car we
What am I do? What am I do, dog, for deserve the Sparta beat up, dog? What am I do for deserve the badness now, dog? Oh, God, me could take a pray. I'm sorry for you, no, bro, God, but me can't help you. Let me go through.
Kill him and kill him and kill him.
Yeah.
Pull up on the men with the spinners.
Yeah.
Deal with them like Saint Panagina.
Yeah.
Watching jelly splash like river.
Yeah.
Kill him and kill him and kill him. Pull up on the men with the spinners.
Oh, man, that video is too evil for me. This video is too evil. Them man look like some 10,000 crime murderers to me. When I say the man not do no crime, I'm not accuse the man, them are not, you know, just a react of people. But no, sir. If me see none of them man in a real life, me a run, dog. Me a coward, no? Me a coward. Look here. Them man are too grimy, dog.
Air Force white, face white to my bleach all night. With the 4-5.
Yeah.
Can't predict my move through the dice. See me today and I see me the next time.
Yeah, you see, them would have me just on purpose. From the bus stop on my foot to catch me, I do not know what I'm going to do. Me dead already. Me say no. Me dead. Them look on them man there. No, dog. You have a heart, make them kidnap you, brother.
I hold it up till you own a cup. So right now,
no, sister, tell me all I'm gonna. Believe it, dog. Yeah. Ah, hold on. You see them, the whole cigarette, but they that, but. That's what them call it anyways. So them call it anyways, brother. You look a cigarette, something you have like an ashtray, cigarette ashtray, you put all that cigarette, but yo, I say no see a real smoker, like you have an addict, you know. You need to stop smoking not good for you. It is not good for you, okay? Stop smoking. Let's get straight to the video though.
Even the fuck we born as a sinner.
Yeah.
Can't study me, call me too chinner.
Yeah.
In a board box, man, make your body relax.
Hold on! Them bust out him head. What kind of wig tie up that though? Look on the tree. Watch ya. Look on the tree. But them bust out his head.
Box, man, make your body relax.
He can't even act. He get shot before he shot fire. Pretty this. Him head go back.
Man, make your body relax. Warm up the club and get the scissors.
Look what did it edit my video.
I wanna peel up. Girl taking a hand, the angle cheap up. The man blow, man, the finish and real it. So watch where you pull off, how you the illest. And if you ring the alarm, them I go see that. Boys spread out, now roll like big pussy, even.
Them money a badness different, dog. Me afraid of the whole of them money in the video, dog. Me not look at my face. Me a lie to you. You look at them money, brother. Watch ya. Watch this the big guy on ya. Do it face tattoo. Yo. Me afraid of the whole of them money in the video, yeah. The reason why I'm afraid of them money that I'm asking right now, brother. You see, I'm used to younger. Don't come here, so broker. This is something. You see, I'm used to younger, brother. You used to have this man. When I used to go to high school, at primary school, brother. This man used to live around the corner. I have to walk. I used to walk at school. I used to live in Jamaica. Dog, this man have this man look something like that, but he white and some black. It's to frighten me a man in time in the dog. That's calm for life in the youth. Channel start. Last, when I've lost the last time. What ya?
Alright then, bad from birth, violate in the dirt. Rental pull up on the outskirt. Butterfly like bird.
Oh no. Thank gosh. The video soon I have like 10 seconds. Thank you, Lord. Oh my word. Oh sir.
Don't say a
Oh,
word.
sir. Oh my gosh, it done. It done. Thank you, Lord, for watching over us. It's been a boy Tyrekejt, guys. Thank you for checking out my video. I'll see you all in another video. Yo! Down that again, man. Much time I tell you something I make video. Hey boy. Hey boy. I make my video, bro, God. Now when you're walking on my video, bro, God. You see me? You see me, I say? Alright. Peace out, guys.